Cicero, Disputationes Tusculanae, Episode 6. In qua cum virtute nostri multum valuerunt, tum plus etiam disciplina. As Cicero continues his essay, we now have in qua, the sentence beginning with a relative clause. The qua here is, of course, feminine singular and ablative, and its antecedent can be found in the previous episode, number 5, and that antecedent is in re militari, like so, in matters of military discipline and so forth. So in qua, in matters of military strategy and tactics, nostri, our ancestors. Here's the subject in the masculine plural and nominative. We might understand it as being a shorthand for nostri maiores, our ancestors. So in military matters, our ancestors multum valuerunt, they accomplished a great deal. Valuerunt is going to be third plural, perfect, indicative, and active. And valuerunt is a second conjugation verb, valeo, like so, valere. It is a synonym of possum, to be able. So in military matters, our ancestors had great ability, or they accomplished much, multum valuerunt. Multum is an adverb. And now we have, finally, this prepositional phrase, cum virtute, through their valor, we might say. Not virtue in the sense of goodness and kindness, but military might. What kind of an ablative is virtute, this feminine singular ablative? We would call this an ablative of manner, that is, ablativus modi. They accomplished much in a valorous way, an ablative of manner. Then, tum plus etiam disciplina. Now, this disciplina I'm taking as feminine singular and ablative. Of course, the final A is long. The text itself doesn't tell us that, but I believe it has to be in parallel with cum virtute. So what we have implicit here is another instance of cum, and this is yet again an ablativus modi, that is an ablative of manner. So they accomplished a lot through valor, or valorously, cum virtute. Then, even more, plus etiam, did they accomplish through discipline, disciplina, by a kind of careful hard work and preparation. This image here is what you get when you ask AI to show a picture of Roman ancestors in a cubist style.
Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.